Hello, my crafty friends. Well, happy new catalog day. Today is the day that the Stampin' Up! Annual catalog launches. So I thought we would play around with some of the brand new papers from this catalog, and I'll show you a fun little technique. Hi, it's Lynn Dunn from Stamptastic Designs. Thanks so much for joining me today. In this episode of Stamptastic TV, I have 3 different card ideas I want to share with you, and they feature the cut and shuffle technique. So I know I've shared this technique before, but I thought I would share it again because it's just a great way to showcase the new papers that came out in the annual catalog. So the cards in this video feature the Unbounded Love bundle from Stampin' Up. So this bundle has a stamp set and a coordinating die set. We are also using the Unbounded Beauty Designer Series paper. So this particular paper is one of the product suites in the new annual catalog. All right, so let's talk about the cut and shuffle technique. So basically you need 3 different pieces of pattern paper. And you want to choose 3 pieces of pattern paper, which of course coordinate together. So these are the pieces that I will be using. They are all cut at 4 by 5 1/4 inches. So we're going to take all these pieces of paper, we're going to stack them together, and we're going to cut them all at the same time. Okay, so basically what you want to do is just stack them all together since they're all the same size, and you're just going to place them in your paper trimmer and basically just cut some diagonal lines. You don't have to be very particular about it. I just kind of angled it a little bit so that I had, when I make this cut, I have a nice kind of triangular piece here. So you can line it up on this 2.5 inch mark. You can line up that little point there, or you can make the angle bigger. So you really have the ability to make these cuts however you want. But I'm just going to go right about here, and I'm just going to make the first cut. So I'm cutting all 3 of those pieces together. So we'll just set these pieces aside. So now I'm left with something that looks like this. So now I'm just going to make a cut here, and I'm just going to go from the corner here to kind of in the middle. You just kind of eyeball it. It does not have to be perfect. All right, so basically this is what it looks like after you make the cuts. And so every time you do this technique, it'll just be a little bit different unless you come up with, a way to ensure that you're making the exact same cuts, which actually it's kind of fun if you just throw it in there, make the cuts, and just do it on a whim instead of, planning it out. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to start by shuffling these pieces around. So I'm just going to start with the triangular pieces first, that left side. And then I'm going to take this next set, and basically you just want to alternate them. So we will actually be making 3 cards. So you want to make sure all the pieces are different. So now I have this piece, which we'll put over here. And then I have this piece, which we'll put over here. And then I have this piece, which will go there. So basically, you're just cutting them all at the same time. And then you're just shuffling around the pieces so that you have 3 different pieces for each of the 3 different cards. And so each card will look different. And these pieces will fit perfectly together because you cut them all at the same time. Okay, so let's put the cards together. So I'm just using some white cardstock for the base of my card. And I'm just going to take these pieces and just lay them out on my card front. I always like to lay them out so that I know where they are going to be adhered. And we'll start up at the top here. And we'll just add some liquid glue. I like to use liquid glue because then I can slide my pieces around. But we'll start here in the corner. And then we're just going to adhere these pieces directly next to each other. And so we'll adhere this one. And then this is the last piece that will fit right in the center there. All right, so now you have a fun layout that you can decorate any way that you want. So let me go ahead and put the other ones together for you as well. All right, so here are the 3 different card layouts. So the cards have the exact same layout, but where the pieces are arranged are different. So you can see the flower pattern is over here on this card, it's over here on that one, and over here on that one. So it's just kind of a fun way to just create 3 different cards, but they all have the same layout. And then once you have the card background created, you can really decorate it with anything that you have on hand. I decided to use one of the new scalloped ovals and some of the die cut shapes from the Unbounded Love bundle, but you can use anything that you have on hand, and then just some new in color dots. Okay, so there you go. Now you have 3 very simple cards that you can create with any pattern papers that you have on hand. And if you enjoyed these card ideas, feel free to download the printable tutorial. You can find the link in the description below this video. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it and sharing it with your friends. And leave me a comment below to let me know what you enjoyed most about the video and the cards shared here today. Have a fun and creative day, my friends. Take care.